Hello, hello. Welcome to today's lunch installment of Math 20-3 in Finances. All right. Hopefully the music in the background isn't too loud. Actually, you know what I'll do? I'm just going to pause it here. So in today's assignment, last day what you did is you researched some of the bank accounts and how they work, what fees, what transactions, and how they go. So today what you're going to actually be doing is taking a look at a specific bank account. So if it pulls up here. So here's our bank account for our individual. Shows you the balance coming in, a number of transactions of money going in and out of the account. But more importantly, on the side here, it actually shows you what the bank account includes and doesn't include. Yeah, there's a monthly fee. The fee balance is waived if there's a certain minimum bank account, how many transactions, additional charges, and what it looks like. So now what you have to do is take this information and answer some questions about the bank account and determine what the final balance is for this client. So if you take a look, example, it says using all the information, what is needed to have the month fee waived? Well, that's saying if there's a minimum balance. So taking a look at account specifics, which is right over here, it says there is a monthly fee of $390. However, the fee will be waived if the balance is in excess of $1,000. Well, forwarded balance for this client is $4,398. So what is needed to have the monthly fee? You would type in here, the client would need a minimum balance of $1,000, which the client has. They're done. Okay. Now, taking a look at the next question that would be there, it says how many approved transactions are permitted. Once again, you go back and read the account specifics. It says here 10 free transactions. This is what type of transactions. So you would go back here and put 10. So on and so forth till you get to what costs or what fees the client incurred. So whether there was an out-of-bank transaction, a teller transaction, those are costs. You'd list them here. How much in total, you'd add up all the extra costs that the client has. And then finally, you would go through the ins and outs of money. So if the balance was that, you add maybe minus 100. So the next one would be $42.98. Going forward would be the balance. Okay. And then you'd go, okay, another withdrawal. So that minus that, $40 and so on. Oh, add 50. And then you'd finally come to the bottom, but you would have to account for the fees. So then you subtract the fees and then you'd put the total amount that's left over. Okay. That's how you work through it. I'm going to eat a nugget and hopefully this makes sense. If you have any issues or concerns, get a hold of me. Okay. Talk to you soon. Hopefully things are well.